So this past Saturday, Haley and I decided to split up to find the maximum amount of profit.
Yeah, Josh went to the flea market by himself and I went to garage sales by myself, which was the first time ever.
With the GoPro. That's a big deal.
I was really nervous.
I'm an adamant believer that the flea market is better than garage sales, at least in our area. So you guys got to check out this video and let us know if you agree.
So I'm only 20 minutes early and I'm about to be the third person in line. This is super exciting. Here he comes. I'm waiting until exactly 7. Come on. Little Adidas shoes. They're a little $4 on the bottom. I don't know if that's their price or what. That's cool. A little Adidas shirt here, size medium. It's kind of cool. Bradley. It's cute.
You loaded up?
Yeah, I got a few things.
I got a few things.
Good.
I had to kind of hand pick though.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Is 15 fair for all?
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. That wasn't that great. I did get a bag full of stuff and I only spent $15, so maybe on to the next one.
I am a lot later than usual, so hopefully that doesn't hurt me too much.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Great, man. How you doing?
So good.
Kids are excited to see you. They know who you are.
Oh, what's up? Oh yeah. I tried to go to some garage sales today and it's not good, man.
No? What you think that thing's worth, man?
I don't know. It looks old.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely old.
Like a collector's piece.
I wonder if it's like military or
Army baseball team.
it's all 1949 on there, man.
Oh wow. What do you want for it?
$20. I don't really know much about it. My wife told me not to sell it.
So you're gonna sell it. Just asking for the Squishmallows.
So
Mickey Vampire, Mini Witch.
I think they're like $15 a piece for these. I believe it $20 maybe for a pair of them.
Okay. We'll do
Don't hit nobody with that thing now.
bugs.
I'm gonna call you if I need some help. I'll get them that over.
All right, I'm just making a pile. I'll do all the Squishmallows, Kavu bag, catcher's mask, and the Tabasco thing. I'm gonna see if there's anything else I could add to it.
Kelly, how much you want for this Kavu bag from Mr. Harry?
Give me a good deal, Kelly.
I told him $20 a pair for these Squishmallows. If you don't want to sell them, it's up to you, but I told him 20. $5 for the Kavu?
I can get it out, but
And if y'all don't want me to sell it, I'm sorry.
chocos are $5.
I can do $5 on this. All right, give me a price on all that. I'll do all the Squishmallows.
70. Or you can have the Tabasco thing.
Okay, 70 bucks.
70. Thank you. It's going for the kids. So.
There you go. College fun, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank y'all.
Yeah, man. Have a good day.
We'll go put all this up.
Go put that up. Come on back with that empty bag.
That's right, that's right. To be totally honest, I thought I was getting all the Squishmallows, since that's what I said, like how much for all the Squishmallows. But I guess he just thought I was talking about all the Disney Squishmallows, but that's fine. It's still a good deal. I don't know what these are worth, the Disney Vampire ones, but new with tags, I figure we can get at least 20 bucks a piece over and whatnot. That Kavu bag should clean up. That's probably 20 bucks or so. Chacos are in great condition. I don't think these have been worn very much at all. That might be, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks on those. I have no idea what this vintage catcher's mask is worth, but 1949? I don't know. That might be an eBay item for sure. And then the Tabasco head cover, made in USA too. Pretty cool. Might get, retail is 20, so let's say maybe 15 bucks for that, I think. Not bad.
This one is in this clubhouse over here, which I've never seen that before, but we'll see. It starts at 8, it's 7:30, so let's see if they let me in.
Now that's not going to look too funny.
Bye, y'all. Thank you.
Bye, scary clown.
Hello.
Hi.
I've got 3 pairs of shoes here.
28.
28?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So that's one thing that I just do not do is like haggle with people. So like whatever they say, I'm just like, okay, I'll do that. So yeah, I think I probably did overpay for those. I mean, I basically like paid like Goodwill prices for them. But the Converses were basically like new in the box. The Adidas are pretty cool, and the Vans will sell really well for us and whatnot. So not too bad.
How's it going? Morning. Zoe's got some putters over here.
What's up, Josh?
What's up? TaylorMade LGC. Are these ladies clubs? I don't know what LGC stands for.
Yeah, but it wouldn't make sense if they look like men's though.
Yeah. Texas golf shoes. Look at there.
Oh yeah, customized.
What are you asking for the putters?
15 a piece on all the putters. Yep,
It's not bad. What about this set?
Probably like $20 on it.
20 bucks on the whole set? Oh,
Yeah,
that one's
these
broken
really
right
clean
there.
and
Yeah. Well, that's not broken. That's just...
Yeah, they need cleaning real good. They
Yeah.
got all kind of dirt on them.
Okay, I'll do 20 bucks on those.
It's
But-
$5 on the shoes.
5. I'll do those, and I'll do these 2 hats.
Yep, sounds good. 25, buddy. Make it good. You good?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 26. One for good measure.
That's perfect. Appreciate your
Thanks,
call,
man. Appreciate you.
What? Oh, your clothes are in the house.
This is
Hang it up. It lights up.
It lights up.
Yeah, you charge it up. Charge it
Charge
right
it.
there.
Where's the light
But you
come out?
mash this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if you can see. Hold it.
Oh.
And then if you mash it again, it was blinking now.
Okay,
Yeah,
I gotta
changes
get
colors
that
and all
then.
that. Yeah, that's only $1.5. Everything else is $2 each.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. That's cool. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. Those for 11. You got a $10 bill on you? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, this one's like a moving, downsizing sale. There's a bunch of people here though. We'll see how it goes.
It just keeps on going around.
Awesome.
Let me grab a cord real quick, guys.
$2. Pick that up for $2. Can I check out with you?
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Okay. I have 4 hats.
So that would be $2.
And then Kavu, $2. I think it said 2 up top, but
It did.
okay.
That's a nice shirt. Okay, that's $6. Thank you
$6.
very much.
Thank you. What are you asking on all these sports bras?
About $1.
Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6. I already paid her for these down below. 5, 6. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. So I just paid $1 for all of these sports bras. I can probably get like $10 plus shipping on each of those. So that's pretty awesome.
All right, so we got
Only one grandchild on the
3 pairs of Ionics.
Yeah, they're all 10s.
10. Women's 10.
They're all 10s.
Those are cool. Is this the original manger
It is.
from Bethlehem?
It is. Can't you tell?
Yeah. Did he sign it? I think. What do you want for the Birkenstocks?
Is that the only one you want?
I mean, maybe. I don't know. Vionics are okay. We just can't sell them on eBay. They're a Vero brand. So Vionic they basically hire people to take down Vionic listings
Oh,
to
good God.
ding your accounts. So they're just tougher to sell than Birkenstocks.
I'm asking 20.
Okay. So maybe we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 7, 8, 9, 10 Vionics and the Birkenstocks. I don't know. What do you think for all of them? I think there's 11.
What are you thinking?
About 150. That's $15 a piece on the Vionics, and you throw in the Birkenstocks. Buy 10, get 1 free.
How about 160?
I'll do it.
You don't want the purple boots?
I don't think so.
Oh, come on.
They look good on you.
I bet they would. All right.
Thank you, God.
Thank you. Appreciate it. What you got on the
For $1 a piece.
the Klein Tools? Was that cooler?
Yes.
What you asking for that?
Well, I hadn't cleaned it up, but I'll take 20 for it.
Take a look at it.
There's some good ones in there. The bag, I'll give you 30.
Could you do 15 on the cooler?
No, I really need 20 for it. 20's kind of low.
Yeah, my arms are full, so I'm
Okay.
on the trying to be picky about what else I get.
I got this. I'm pretty sure I can probably get 20 for it there.
Yeah, that's not bad. Always got to negotiate though.
I know.
I'll give you 20.
Yeah, you probably resell it for 35 or 40.
Yeah, we'll see. Thank you. I just dropped off all that stuff in the car. I looked up that Klein Tooler. There's only one currently listed and pre-owned condition for $72 plus $38 in shipping. Then if we go to sold, there's only one sold for $40 plus shipping. So I don't know, not a lot available, not a lot sold, but I think we can get maybe 50 bucks or so. Hello. Morning. So good. These are the Carbon X. Cool. How much for these? 30? Men's 11 and a half. There you go. Thank you. I've never seen those Hokas before, so let's look them up, make sure I didn't just make a mistake. There are 69 currently listed in used condition and 135 sold, so that's good. It's pretty decent. 75 bucks, $72, free shipping. Yeah, I'll take it. Nothing on that last row that caught my eye, so I'm gonna head back to the first row over here. See if we missed anything. What you got for one of your Red Bulls over here? You sell the Red Bulls individually?
Yeah.
How much are they?
$2. You want a cold one or that?
Yeah, if you get a cold one, that'd be good. I've never had the coconut one before. You do pretty good with the bar stuff out here?
It's okay, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I like the Jose Cuervo bus.
Yeah. It's pretty neat.
Is that just a display piece or is it a cabinet or something?
Nah, it's a display.
What are you asking for it?
I'm asking 100, but you know, if someone make me a decent offer, I might let it go.
Yeah. Is it metal?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody could make a mailbox out of it.
Yeah. That was a lot of people think
Yeah.
it was, but you can make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Let's try this here. Ugh. Let's check out these folks over here. What are you asking for the Sony thing? This white thing with the remote?
Bad wants it. I'm not so sure. I don't know what.
Scanner, ain't it?
I think it's a DVD player.
Yeah.
I thought, you know what I was thinking.
Probably like 20 bucks.
Does it have all? Do you know if it has the cords with it?
Let's see what we got.
It would be, well, it's the power cord, so a DC power cord.
19, like a
19.5 volt.
laptop, yeah. And it's a small hookup.
Yeah.
I'll do looking. It could be here.
What's, I mean, the end of it, what's it look like?
It's round. It's got a little thing in there.
Yeah.
What about 15 without the cord?
That'll work.
That'll work. Okay. All right. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Super interesting pickup here. The Blu-ray player itself is pretty much worthless, but the remote is worth a ton of money. On eBay, it sells all the time between $50 and $70.
Hairytornado, right?
What's up, man?
Hey.
How are you?
Couple months. How's it going?
Yeah, see you, man.
What else you find, Mr. Tornado?
Lots of stuff. I got some plants in here. Trying not to tip them over. We had a snake plant that we had been growing for like 2 years, and then we left it outside back on Christmas Eve when it got like 8 degrees, and it did not survive.
Didn't make it.
So I bought a replacement that's even bigger and beautifuler. $1.
$1. You can't refuse that, can you?
I cannot refuse the $1. I think I got some money left. Is that another time?
Good luck the rest of the day.
Another $1 for that one? Yeah. Okay, cool. Can't go wrong with Titleist hats.
Have a good day, man.
Good to see you guys. It was Kelly. What was Kelly and Isaac? 6 sunglasses, man. I love that.
They come out here and sell stuff and then spend all the money.
That's the way to do it, man. That's the way to do it. Y'all have a good one.
So some key takeaways from today's video as Haley comes around here to join me. We have sold a couple of the things you guys saw. I don't think Haley sold any for garage sale funds yet, but we did sell the white hat we got from Zoe's mom, the white one that like lit up. I think that sold
the Raconia or
yeah.
whatever.
I don't know what brand it was, but I think it sold for like 15 bucks or so and whatnot. We sold the Tabasco head cover that I found. That one only went for like $7 on whatnot. I don't think we've listed any of the better stuff on eBay yet. We got that nice
I've listed a few things.
Oh, you have? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We got the set of golf clubs that I got from Zoe for like $20. Zoe is the man for giving us killer deals at the flea market.
Yes.
I think we can probably get like 100, and you put a comp on the screen, like 140 bucks, 150 bucks for that set. So at the beginning of today's video, we said that you guys would have to watch and then decide for yourself if the flea market is better than garage sales or vice versa. And I will say, although in today's video, I feel like I came out on top at the flea market.
For sure. Josh did better.
I did spend a lot more money than Haley though. Like she got a lot more stuff, more bang for her buck. And also that was just like 3 or 4 garage sales. Like it's hard to take that small sample size and then compare it to all the garage sales that ever have happened. We found some really good stuff at garage sales in the past. So today, the flea market is a winner. Overall, I think it's up in the air.
Yeah. It was really fun to be able to do that by myself for the first time though. I was really nervous and anxious.
Are you feeling more confident now?
Probably not.
If you guys have never been to a garage sale wearing a GoPro strap to your chest, it is a new level of awkwardness.
Yes, because you're at somebody's house, right?
Yeah,
and like it's more like personal.
I'm very proud of you for doing that.
Thank you.
Because it's awkward. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see another one of our flea market and or garage sale videos, click it right over here. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best. We will catch you on the next one.